decorating with Barbara. You can do it.
Hi everyone. Today I am participating in the A to Z collaboration hosted by my good friend Shenell from Angelic Interiors by Shenell. Now Shenell challenged us to decorate with any decor item starting with any letter from A to Z. I chose the letter B, so I will be sharing a couple of ways that I decorate with books. I will be painting a set in a neutral color, and then I will be adding a scripture to the spine of the book. Then I will be adding gift wrap to another set of books, and then I will share with you guys how I styled them. And then Friday, I will be back with the reveal of one of these spaces. And I think you guys are gonna like that video. So don't forget, this collab has 2 uploads daily until August 23rd. So I wanna thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on Friday, unless I go shopping and then I share a shopping trip with you guys. So take care, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye-bye.